This video will demonstrate how to schedule a Zoom meeting on the zoom.us website so you can obtain your invite link for Jumpstart. Go to zoom.us and log in. Click on My Account, Schedule a Meeting. Name your meeting, the topic name, use your Jumpstart session name. You don't need a description. The date is August 12th. The session times are listed here. Type in the session time. If you're doing more than one session, you only need to schedule one meeting. You will reuse the same link for your additional sessions. Leave the duration at 1 hour. Time zone is Pacific time, which is the default here. This is not a recurring meeting. Registration is not required, so leave those boxes unchecked. I recommend that you use the generate automatically for the meeting ID. You may have used your personal meeting room with your students or parents all year, but in this case, you may not want your Jumpstart participants to have permanent access to your personal meeting room. Uncheck the passcode box. I recommend a waiting room where you can have your Jumpstart co-host admit participants. You may choose not to use a waiting room, but be aware that participants may enter early. You can leave both of these turned off and just have everyone turn on their own cameras. Leave the audio at both. I recommend you leave these other options unchecked, but feel free to enable these if you have experience with any of them. If you know who your Jumpstart Zoom co-host will be, you may designate that here. Otherwise, you can add that person later when you start the meeting. Click Save. This next screen confirms your meeting setup. The invite link right here is what you will share so Zoom participants can join your session. If needed, you can still edit this page. Scroll down to the bottom and click Edit, which will allow you to make changes. You may want to copy this invite link and save it for yourself, but you could also return to this Zoom page anytime. So if I go back to the home page, I'm logged in, click on My Account, and click on Meetings. Upcoming Meetings is the first tab there, and you can see that my meeting is scheduled, is listed here. From here, I can start the meeting, edit the setup, or delete it. And that's it. Have a great Jumpstart session.